At some point somebody put an old-fashioned doorknob on the brake handle. Here are some parts of the speed brake that I've got partially cleaned up and partially disassembled. I'm not sure what it'll look like, but I'll make a new handle for this. It still baffles me, whoever worked on this before did everything with a hammer. You know, come on people. Gear pullers are not that freaking expensive. On the speed brake, I've been concerned about breaking off these tabs while pressing in the bushing or the pin. So I'm putting a shim between the tangs and the crossbar while I'm pushing in the pin. And then there's the completed speed brake. And I made a new handle offline.